There are several lakes in many regions of the world. According to the satellite data, there are approximately 100 million lakes greater than 1 hectare in size throughout the world. However, the largest lakes that can exceed entire countries' size are becoming increasingly rare. Although one might anticipate the world's largest lakes to be nearly identical, their characteristics vary widely depending on their depth and saline content. As a result, there is no such thing as a static ranking of the world's greatest lakes, as human activity has the potential to transform an enormous body of water into a desert in the span of a single generation. Stay with us as we discuss the current world's largest lake and its features. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. As the world's most enormous inland body of water, the Caspian Sea is also known as the Mazandaran Sea, Hyrcanian Ocean, or Khazar Sea. The world's largest lake, or a full-fledged sea, is the world's largest body of water. Located between Europe and Asia, it is east of the Caucasus and west of the vast steppes of Central Asia. It is also south of the fertile plains of southern Russia, which are in Eastern Europe, and north of the hilly Iranian plateau, which is in Western Asia. It has a surface area of 143,550 square miles, excluding the very salty lagoon of Garabogaskal to the east, and a volume of 78,200 cubic kilometers. This water is around 1.2% salinity, about a third of the salinity of regular salt water. It is bordered by Kazakhstan from the middle of the north to the middle of the east, Russia from the middle of the north to the middle of the west, Azerbaijan to the southwest, Iran to the south and adjacent corners, and Turkmenistan along the southern parts of its eastern shore. From the north to south, the sea stretches nearly 750 miles with an average width of 200 miles. It has a total land area of 149,200 square miles and a surface elevation of approximately 89 feet below sea level. Europe's longest river, the Volga River, provides most of its freshwater inflow, which enters at the shallow northern end. The bottom of the southern hemisphere sinks to a depth of 3,356 feet below sea level, making it the second lowest natural non-oceanic depression on Earth after Lake Baikal, a depth of 3,870 feet below sea level. However, written descriptions from ancient people of the Caspian Sea's coast indicate that they saw the sea as an ocean, most likely due to its salinity and huge size. Many different species live in the Caspian Sea, but it is perhaps best known for its caviar and oil industries. Unfortunately, oil industry pollution and, to a lesser extent, dams built on rivers that drain into it have impacted the area's environment. It is located to the east of the Caucasus Mountains and the west of the vast steppes of Central Asia, and it is the largest country in the region. The ancient Caspi peoples, who initially inhabited Transcaucasia to the west, are credited with giving the sea its name. Its other historical names include Khazarsk and Kolinsk, derived from previous peoples of the region, and Gurkansk, which comes from the Greek word Gurkanos, meaning country of the wolves. The Caspian Basin is typically split into three regions: the northern, middle, and southern Caspian. These divisions are made partially based on underwater terrain and partly on hydrologic characteristics. There are as many as 50 islands in the sea, and most of them are small. Chechen, Tyulani, Morskoy, Kulali, Xyloi, and Ogurchin are the largest tribes. The northern Caspian Sea is fed by three major rivers: the Volga, the Ural, and the Terek. Their total yearly flow accounts for approximately 88% of all river water entering the sea in this region. In addition, the Sulik, Samur, Kara, and several smaller rivers flow into the Caspian Sea from the western shore of the Middle and Southern Caspian Seas, accounting for around 7% of the total flow into the sea from the Caspian Sea. Rivers from the southern Iranian shore bring in the remainder of the water. Except for the Atrak River in South Turkmenistan, the arid eastern side of the Caspian Sea is noted for the entire absence of permanent streams. Although the Caspian Sea is the largest salt lake on the planet, this has not always been the case. Scientific research had revealed that it was connected to the world ocean until relatively recent geologic eras, around 11 million years ago, when it was connected to the world ocean via the Sea of Azov, the Black Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. The Caspian Sea's history reveals this region's complicated geology and climatic evolution, particularly past changes in both area and depth. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.